Good morning, everybody. So here I am at home in self-imposed exile. Well, not really self-imposed. I'm supposed to be working from home, so I have been doing that. But also, this is the weekend, so I'm going to be doing some stuff. And I no longer have an hour commute every day, so I will have more time in the evening to do stuff. So I plan to be doing that. Just a little bit about this whole thing going on. I'm not even going to mention it by name, but I'm going to try and use it to do positive things with my time rather than contemplate the negatives of it. Hopefully, everybody out there is staying safe and sane. We can do what we can do, so. Just look at it as an opportunity to catch up on some work around the house, I guess would be the best way to put it. So hopefully everybody's doing good. Hopefully, your employers are taking care of you. And if not, I'm hoping and praying for a quick end to this. So, but anyways, the other thing I wanted to talk about is I made a video a while ago about WeatherTech. And I got an underseat storage, and my wife also got us some of those cup holders for your cell phone, and she ordered them way before Christmas, and the cup holders came in. It's not a cup holder, it's a item that sits in the cup holder, and you can put your phone in it and use it. Well, anyways, those came in, but the underseat storage bin did not come in on time for Christmas. They don't know what happened or why it came in late, but it eventually came in, and I like it. I did the video, and I love WeatherTech because they're made in America with American employees. So anyways, so here it is mid-March, almost the end of March, and I wanted to show you what my wife got from WeatherTech today. So this is what came in the mail today. I went out and got the mail. I probably should have washed my hands after I went and got the mail because it came from the male carrier, or the female carrier actually, but that's a whole nother story. But this came, and so we opened it up. I'm like, did you order something else from WeatherTech? She said no. So this is what we got from WeatherTech. It says, "Dear valued WeatherTech customer, on behalf of WeatherTech, I want to personally apologize for the delay in shipping of your recent order." 3 months ago, but during the busy holiday season, we accept full responsibility, and we assure you that the necessary steps are being taken to prevent such delays in the future. As a testament to our appreciation of you as a customer, we are enclosing a set of WeatherTech coasters. Your business is important to us, and we look forward to continuing to serve you. Please visit WeatherTech.com for your future auto, home, and pet accessories. And there you go. So I just wanted to, look, made in America. I just wanted to put it out there. And, the fact that they recognized they had an issue, not because we complained, because we definitely did not complain. We understand things happen, but they understood it. And so they tried to reach out to us and let us know that, they understand, and they're a customer-driven business. So if you get the opportunity, I'd just like to say thank you, WeatherTech. And, if you can, buy some from them. You're helping, you get a good product, and you're helping other Americans keep their jobs. So anyways, that's what I wanted to talk about today. So with that being said, I plan to try and do a few more videos each week. I've been trying to keep up with one a week, and I haven't been too consistent with it because, work actually comes first. Now, hopefully, I'll have a little bit more time in the evenings since I don't have to drive my commute. And God only knows what's going to happen. They might decide to just not let us work at home anymore. So then I'll have a whole bunch of time to make videos. And hopefully I have enough stuff to do around here to make videos of, but I have some stuff for the 250. I have some stuff for the Fusion. I probably need to go get some gear oil because I want to change the fluid in my wife's PTU unit in her Fusion Sport. You know, I'm going to be going through my stuff and trying to put some stuff on eBay or Facebook Marketplace, trying to get rid of some of the stuff that has just been hanging around here for cars that I no longer have. And although I'd like to think I'll get another one, I'm sort of maxed out at vehicles right now. And, you know, anyways. But as always, I appreciate it when you guys watch, like, subscribe, comment back to me. I like having conversations with the viewers. You know, I don't think I'm going to be putting any more camping videos for a little bit since, you know, the whole shelter in place thing's going on. But you never know. Hopefully by June or July, we're back into normalcy and everybody's back at work and you know, we can go camping. We can go have a good time rather than being locked in the house. So anyways, thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting. Please give it a thumbs up. Please give it a, you know, subscribe, share it, whatever. And if, you know, if you got any questions or you just want to BS, go ahead and comment below, and I'm sure I'll respond since I have a whole lot more time looking at the phone and so forth. So thank you, and I hope you're all safe and feeling well, and, you know, just do what they say, wash your hands and stay away from people. It's sort of crazy, but do it, and we'll all be good. Thank you. Have a great day.